Hello, good evening. My name is Lux, and today I have Shure ULXP4. ULXP4. It's actually blinking. It's not sounding. If you have watched my first video on how to fix it through the tone key disable, I think this is my updated version. I am just trying to just trying to see that if you can get a lasting solutions to it. So the problem is when you power the mic, some kind of break check. So I tried to do some troubleshooting, and I find out that some of my capacitors are bad. As you can see, this guy is okay, and let me take another one. I've actually found out what is bad. This guy is okay, 10 as well. I don't know why this guy is not doing 10. It should be 10 UF, 10 microfarad, okay? Not 10. But these three guys did not bring out any outputs. Nothing at all. When I flip the probes, well, open loop, which means that these capacitors are bad. Let me check the second one if it's the same thing, and the third one, same thing. So I'm going to be changing the three of them. They're actually 1 microfarad, so I'm going to be changing them, and let's see how it works out. I don't know if I should use a solder gun or solder iron like this, but I want to try to make the work to look a little neater. So I'm actually changing my nozzle to a very tiny one, so I'm going to see if it's not going to give me some issues. Randomly, I'm going to be doing that randomly. So it's ready to remove. I don't want anything to fly off. Okay, we have the 3 guys out, and we'll be replacing them with another one for the repair, and let's see if it's going to work out. So I've replaced the 3 capacitors, and we're going to test it out now and see if it's going to work. Okay, yeah, it worked. Check. Sound check 1 2. Testing mic check 1 2. Sound check 1 2 1 2. Check. So it's working now. In case you have a problem like this, you can watch both my videos. Either ways can work for your problem. And if you like my video, kindly like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.